Hey there everyone, I'm Kim from Riot Art and Craft and welcome back to your creative space. Today I'm going to show you how I create wispy, beautiful, light and airy alcohol ink paintings, only using one colour, one metallic and blending solution. So first I'm starting with some blending solution and covering my page for where I'm going to be putting my alcohol ink. Now for this colour, slate, I'm only going to use 1 or 2 drops in each area, and then I'm going to do each area at a time. So first, we'll start with this top section. Now slowly move your heat gun or straw around in a circle, so you're manipulating the ink, moving around on top of the isopropyl or blending solution. So when alcohol evaporates, you're left with these rings of darker colours from where you have moved your heat gun or straw around. Now to soften the edges, just pop down some more isopropyl alcohol and blend it inwards and then outwards again, so you're not creating a harsh line. Anywhere where those harsh lines are, just drop some more blending solution or isopropyl alcohol and then blow with the heat gun or with a straw. Now 450 GSM is the thickest synthetic paper that's available from Paper Mill at the moment. So this means it's like a card-like stock. UPO or synthetic paper is not a paper at all and is actually made out of a plastic, a non-absorbent surface. So when you're putting on your alcohol inks and they're evaporating through heat, obviously if you put too much heat on the surface you're working on, especially if it's a synthetic paper, too much heat and it might melt. So this is why if you're using things such as a heat gun or a hairdryer, you are much better off getting a higher GSM or a higher thickness to avoid the sheets from curling up. Now as you can see, I completed the first step several times going down diagonally down my page. Now I'll be using silver metallic ink. Now make sure with all your shimmers and metallics that you shake them up really well. So comparatively to regular alcohol inks, the metallics and pearls and shimmers all have pigment powders inside them, and this means that the pigment is going to be heavier than the binder, which is the alcohol. So give them all a really good shake before use and make sure that all of the pigment is actually lifted off the bottom from the little metallic ball that's inside it. Now just be careful with your metallic colours because sometimes they will overpower your piece. So little does go a long way, but I really like the shimmery, shiny substance that is giving it to this piece. You can find all these products and more at Riot Art and Craft in store and online now. Thank you for watching and happy creating!